If you have an F-150, you know that putting the back seats down to access the cargo area can be a bit of a pain, so today we're going to make it easier with this BuiltRight Industries rear seat release kit. This rear seat release kit is designed to fit your 2009 to 18 SuperCrew and SuperCab F-150. It's designed to attach to the latch on the back seat to make it easier to fold down to access your cargo. It features a heavy-duty nylon strap and CNC laser cut brackets for an easy install and a perfect fit. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Alright, the first thing we're going to do for this install is lift up the rear seat all the way. Behind the seat, there's a latch that secures it. Grab any closed end wrench and pull up on this pin right here to release the seat. Once the seat is released from the back, you have to unlock it with this lever and then it'll fold down. There's two T30 Torx bolts that secure the latch to the seat that need to be removed. Be very careful not to lose these bolts in the seat. Place the strap with this end facing up through the provided bracket. Pull it through until you get right there. And this will keep it locked in place. Slide the provided bracket over the factory latch, like so. Then you need to attach this red piece to the pin right here, just like that. And now, this will allow you to open it with the strap. So we can now bolt this back to the seat, then tighten down the bolts. Then you can check and make sure that everything is working properly. It's looking pretty good. Just lift the seat back up to reattach it. Release the bottom of the seat, and you're done. Now to demonstrate how easy it is to now put your seat down with this release kit, just pull up on the nylon strap, and it folds down, just like that. Super easy. Okay, we got our BuiltRight Industries rear seat release kit installed in our 2016 F-150. I have to say, this is a genius design, and it's gonna make accessing that storage area a lot easier. I'd say give yourself 10 or 15 minutes to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading off road.